Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan on this nice sunny day. I've got some amazing news to tell you, and it's about my new course called Master the Advanced Level, and this is for guys who want to take it to the next level. So we're going to be making a series of new videos which will be only about advanced stuff, great techniques, shortcuts, how to get to the diagnostics quick, or more complicated situations where obviously as a basic guy, a new guy, you would struggle. So for the basic guys, I've got the Master the Basics foundational course. So that's for you. So all you need to do is to log on to masterfulengineer.co.uk and you can find out more about that. But for the advanced stuff, as I said, this is going to be great for the guys who want to take things to the next level. Now, what we're going to be doing with this, it's going to be a pay-per-view situation. So you just pick the video you want, pay for that. The price band is going to be between £5.50 and just £1. So you've got that little bit of bandwidth. So it's not a lot, and you just pick what you want on the subjects what you want. I'm going to be building this up over the next coming months or years, in fact. So it's going to be a massive resource for advanced people. So all you need to do is share this video with your friends and your contacts, other gas engineers who want to be at the top in the advanced level. So just log on and you'll see what I've got to offer. Thank you.